asem no besia ko but me was man numbia and then no me de men sembe but yenhwe FN verdict no na yenfa chance and na Andy Casillas at the room ewa mano ne nsem no. Okay, the full written decision has been made available to parties who wish to appeal against the decision. The panel, Osei Kojo Ajo, Esquire, Miss LC Nana Echampo, member, Mr. Emmanuel Nikwe, also a member, disciplinary committee, and of course, Mr. Nathaniel Lai, only a member. Now, William Bossman, secretary. Okay, case number one. Coach Mariano Barreto, head coach Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. Mariano Barreto was charged for a breach of Article 38(8)(c) and 34(6)(d) of the Ghana Football Association Premier League Regulations 2019 in respect of violation of the association's regulation. After the match between Legon Cities and Asante Kotoko, Mariano Barreto made allegations against the referee by stating that Kumasi Asante Kotoko played 11 against 15. Also, Coach Barreto made verbal offensive statements about the performance of the referee by stating the referee only makes mistakes against Kotoko. A statement made without proof and brings the game and brings a giant Kosro Kakra and brings the game, I guess, into disrepute. Yes. Now, the plea and comments. Coach Mariano Barreto pleaded not guilty and stated that his comments were misconstrued because he was referring to the 11 players and the 3 substitute players of Legon City Football Club who played the match. Sanctions. That the committee found the evidence of Mariano Barreto not convincing. That Mariano Barreto is found guilty of the charges. A fine of 3,000 Ghana cedis hereby imposed on Mariano Barreto in accordance with Article 6(1)(c) of the GFA Disciplinary Code. That Mariano Barreto, head coach of Asante Kotoko, is hereby handed a 2-match suspension in accordance with Article 6(2)(a) of the GFA regulations. Mariano Barreto is warned that any future misconduct shall receive a more severe punishment. Okay, so Mariano Barreto, the FA disciplinary committee can say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni Legon Cities Mariano Barreto can send be say boy no mo boy no na Kotoko mrantie na edu baako e na Legon Cities mrantie na edunum na dunum no omususu disciplinary committee ni susu sa dunum no kan no chese Legon Cities mrantie du baako no o de referees miensa no any 4th referee ne ka ho a na koye 9 na makoka Legon Cities fo no na makoye dunum na sansem no kan no egu referee no ne modemo any ono ankasa referee ne ho fi nti nsem no so kra no e de agro no e de fi aka no nti sane anyoma ni si aba no e wo se Mariano Barreto be chirechirem na Mariano Barreto nchirechirem ni nia ne se eno kra Kotoko de mrante du baako na ball no na enan na eka ho ma no yedunum na o se Kotoko ni omu esi akan no saa miensa no eye Legon City se mrante omu de omu eba park no so make a substitute omu free bencher coach Bashir Hayford omu akwanya so omu mesi akan no ema Legon Cities omu ena na o ka omu ho asem na disciplinary committee ne se omu tie Mariano Barreto ho nsam no anane nsam no na entasumu into imagine Article 6(1)(c) of the GFA Disciplinary Code. Bonika 3,000 Ghana cedis. And Mariano Barreto, head coach. Emma Kumasi Asante Kotoko no so no. Dia matches mienu a etwa Ghana Premier League ni no. Mariano Barreto to mint na bench. Na omo bone koko. So sanka sansem ni biomu a asotwe mu a den e no mo de baba no. Nti Mariano Barreto ni nsem eno no. Yenko Emmanuel Jemfie. Okay. Emmanuel Jemfie, player, Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. Emmanuel Jemfie was charged for a breach of Article 34(6)(d) of the GFA Premier League Regulations 2019. During the match between Interallies FC and Asante Kotoko at the Theatre of Dreams, Emmanuel Jemfie stamped player number 45 of Interallies, Andy Okpe, in an off-ball situation around the 65th minute of the game, an action which, in the opinion of the association, is improper and likely to bring the game into disrepute. In somewhere, Abrante Freno, Emmanuel Jemfie, the 2 committee, or say pleaded guilty with an explanation. And Jemfie was reactional. Okay, I bet you him. Number 1, Emmanuel Jemfie is found guilty of the charges. 2, he is fined a fine of 1,000 Ghana cedis is hereby imposed on Emmanuel Jemfi in accordance with Article 61C of the GFA Disciplinary Code. Emmanuel Jemfi is handed a 1-match ban in accordance with Article 12B of the GFA Disciplinary Code. Emmanuel Jemfi is warned that any future misconduct shall receive a more severe punishment. Emmanuel Jemfi is in a Kama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now Asante Kotoko ni Intala is Esiakai ever the Theatre of Dreams or the na agukanse ne kwaso na no na Emmanuel Jemfi born kura ni ho na okotia branch friend Andy Okpe na otia no omususu sa branch ne nyoma no ye no entwa yie e de agro no efi aba ho ni nyina no ene say emra ye friend Article 34 6D of the Ghana Football Association Regulations 2019 no Emmanuel Jemfi ebuso na Emmanuel Jemfi ko no ose no kura ogitum oye guilty e ya dia bone no ye no ogitum nanso won kyerɛkyerɛ mu na ninkyerɛkyerɛ mu nyina ne sɛ abrante ne ka asɛm bi kyerɛ no ɛno ɛna ma no ɛyɛ de ɔbɛyɛ no disciplinary committee ne say nsɛm no mutietie mu na ɔmo abo abrante fa ma no Jemfi so boɔ kyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ guilty na ɔmo abɔ ne ka 1,000 Ghana cedis nkanti sika no 10 million Mariano Barreto dia no nkan sika no ɛno yɛ 30 million ɛyɛ 3,000 Ghana cedis na Emmanuel Jemfi ɛyɛ 1,000 Ghana cedis ɔmo hwɛ ɔmo mmra nim no Article 61C of the GFA Disciplinary Code ɛno na ɔmo gyina so a ɔmo ayɛ de ɔmo ayɛ no na Emmanuel Jemfi so ɛntena fie 1 match kyese enya dia Kumasi Asante Kotoko any Bechem United no abrante fan Emmanuel Jemfi ebetumi asi akan esan say Article 12B of the GFA Disciplinary Code no eno so ehwe say Emmanuel Jemfi ombetwe na so na omo bo ne kokko say na omo bo Mariano Barreto kokko no say otoa so na dabi no oyɛ saa nyoma ne biomu a asotwe mu eden ena omo de bema no enti osai Kojo Ajo Esquire chairman Disciplinary Committee Ghana Football Association Monday 5th July 2021 and now this verdict way to me aba
Pure FM
asema ba okay yanto aswe yanko Dreams FC enra omoso e de krata ba ye say nsam animguase sam e koso e wo dawu say omobo coach I friend Hanan Abdul Hanan Abu, assistant coach of Dreams of Brekum Chelsea, no, dia Dreams FC for Eddie Krataba, Yankai, na yetie for Enti Omuase. Dreams FC Football Club debunks allegation of assault on coach Hanan Abu by fans. Dreams FC Football Club has received with shock false news circulating in the social media that Dreams FC supporters have attacked assistant coach of Brekum Chelsea Football Club after the match day 32 game between the two Premier League clubs at Dawu on Sunday, July 4th, 2021. Dreams FC wish to debunk false assertions and states the fact as follows. 1. Coach Abdul Hanan Abu, assistant coach Brekum Chelsea, is and will always be a member of the Dreams FC family. And until recently, he was given the blessing to join Brekum Chelsea as coach. Was coach of Dreams Tamale, one of our youth clubs. That coach Abdul Hanan Abu was not attacked by supporters of Dreams FC. That rather while on their way to the dressing room after the match, there was a heated verbal exchange between the assistant coach Abdul Hanan Abu, a former employee of Dreams FC Tamale, and head coach Dreams FC head coach Vladislav Veric. 4. That these accusations escalated to trading of blows between the two coaches in front of the dressing room, which saw officials and players of both teams separate the two. Unfortunately, our head coach is seeking medical care as well as the assistant coach of Brekum Chelsea. Dreams FC, as an entity, first and foremost, is taking steps to ensure both coaches get full medical attention and care. Dreams FC continue to probe into this rather unfortunate incident between the former employee and the head coach to understand fully what caused the exchanges and to take appropriate action in this matter. We must reiterate that this incident between the two coaches of the Dreams FC family happened in front of the dressing room where the fans are not allowed and no fan was involved. We wish to assure Brekum Chelsea Football Club, the entire football family and the general public that Dreams FC will do everything possible to ensure that whatever issue existed between the two coaches is resolved fully and amicably. Thank you. End. Dreams FC for Krata and Ra and Yumra almost so the by any. Say coach a friend Abdul Hanan Abu nye Dreams FC supporters na bo no no kra no ye adwuma e ma Dreams FC boku a e wo tamale ebi wo tamale omo still believe ne clubs bia omde ye omadwuma enti na coach ne adwuma wo na de ba ye nie dwumadie ne ba na wie ye omo nyina ko dressing room no coach Abdul Hanan Abu ananka no ye adwuma ma Dreams FC ono no enya Dreams FC fo nhira se onko brekum Chelsea no oni omo coach e fa ne Verich enya confusion kakra de broni frɛ no verbal exchanges na emu na manfo yes so omo pata omo na emu ye den kakra ntokwa ne koso a na rawosem ne sɛ Dreams FC for coach broni no one Hanan Abu no obi ada hospital obi aprae na de di kan ne sɛ omo Dreams FC no ekwan bia ombefa so bia ma coaches no wato omo no omo nam so de toso mienu omo hwɛ ni mu sɛ omo ankasa ba hwɛ nsɛm ni mu ehu die nti a coaches ni mienu ekonya anobaye na de omo kan sɛ support bia ni ho a otumi wura dressing room wo bi ana fan bia ni ho otumi eka ede no ho for nsɛm ni mu players no any coaches no na yes ade no na de omo srɛ ni sɛ omo ade asidaka na omo de nkutosrɛ to brekum Chelsea Ghana Football Association any football fans omo wiase afa na nyina say Dreams FC ye de ombetumi aye bia na asem bia wo bia no da coaches ni mienu ntem no omo atumi aka na bibia so etumi atodin Dreams FC for krata omo so ede abano no
Pure FM
Yanko the National Sports Authority in a day of letters omo so de omo de oba the National Sports Authority. The management of the National Sports Authority strongly condemns acts of hooliganism that has occurred in some league centers over the past few weeks. Such unfortunate acts our stadia are bad adverts for our football, the passion of the nation. The public interest in our game has soared in recent times, and as such, these acts of hooliganism have the tendency to derail the games made to bring back the love. We all wish to experience, of course, bring back the love. Such acts of lawlessness have been occurring in some league centers, with clubs and the association who appear to be unable to find a lasting solution to these challenges. In the view of this, the authority is using this medium to caution the sporting associations and the clubs operating under them to immediately take steps to ensure that these lawlessness stop. The authority may be forced to intervene with harsher sanctions should such unacceptable behavior reoccur in subsequent matches. Issued by Public Affairs Department, National Sports Authority, 5th July 2021. National Sports Authority Sokrata Omdiabani said, Omatsna Siehu said Nansemu Nyoma Ekosu Ghana Football Association. And the Ghana Premier League in Division 1 and the Ma football ni no enya de so ani na omo kra no nansem no omo hwe nyoma mu a se na Ghana fo do e ba o football ni na so ani na nyoma bi se die enya de omo be so omo de kokko soronko ma Ghana Football Association and the football clubs omo dom association ni say nyoma bi se koso na omo de omo gemu a e de asotwen kese pa I know National Sports Authority no Edibema Football Association no any football clubs a musi akan e wo Ghana ha no mahwa ma hu se Football Association no oni o che se ade no asem na esisi no oni hu anu ye bia the brony friend a lasting solution to these challenges inti asem no ana bro ane de koso yabu referees yabu coaches akon yabu players yabu supporters no etwaso a the National Sports Authority omo ankasa no omo de omo ebeje sansem we mu
Pure FM
ansa na mekoma bedwafo so no mamia me nka me de di kan Dreams FC for krata na omo chro no eye bogus letter. It is an insult to the integrity and intelligence of Ghanaians. Nipa chro Dreams FC letter no, he should bow down his head in shame. It is a bogus letter. It is an irrelevant letter. It is absolute balbadash. Nipo chro letter no. Onim di oye wayira nani afra. The president of the Ghana Football Association Football Club, coaches mienu wakofa se ofrihin so ofrihin o bronia bakroma coach Broni Abakroma abebu Ghanaian coach what Rokrata say eyo mu mienu asem na wo hwehwem Dreams FC. You guys should get serious. Na emra ye ni nkaso owura ketiye so kreku eden a afi akonya na obeso so dako ene Wild Stars wen opanyin kwesi nyantachi owo he montra de wo na monya de mo ye no mommre beso montro krata fun sabi krata fun sei emre Ghana fo mommre beso Executive Council so omoye meeting yame bo echina. Executive Council, one of the most useless organs of the Ghana Football Association. Useless, utter useless. Sa Executive Council na wasi eguno. Dr. Tony Obion, Dr. Tony Obion, Dr. Ransford Obion, Mr. Mark Ado, Madame Abibata Owen, Samuel Enima do no name Fred Achimo there. I don't expect anything from them. Dr. Tony Obin, Dr. Ransford Abe, Madame Abibata, Muwahi, and he found a Ghana football, perform sa, Muwahi. Asemu esi kwesi adano, nyame bo achira wuku adana mushia. Mu serious there. Executive Council mu serious. Anasa akonya na mabet na so mu nim bia mu ye. Na mo tetete ho. De me yan se impanyifo mu nim de na wo committee ne so. Mabubo mu din Mr. Mark Ado, Dr. Ransford Abe, Dr. Tony Obin. Mummy and Samu were here. Where is the leadership? And someone who can't do Benya Konyano, and which one am I? As someone see the coaches me no ko. I'm about Kwakota Hospital. Yente Yanya Kratabia. And you might cause a coronation park Sunyane. Yente who was some Karela ni mediama sam no adiachi ana mo bane Karela. Na mo bane o mo stadium ho. Adan na selective justice across Ghana football mu. Kana na on posa case no intentem so no matro. Asante Kotoko in Central ni no mu yi ni free line clear no na general secretary si ni tipa no or kofre prosecutor mo ma charge Kotoko. Dreams FC coach Broni Abakroma be local coach. Momotio say Wednesday na muya meeting 72 hours. Are you guys serious? You are the most useless council or committee in this country. You are joking. Now mu chief joking officer no the other man no cry there. Or a comedian. He's a joke of a president of an association. He's a joke. Kat ES Okeku is a big joke. He's joking with Ghana football. And most certainly his time will come. Question Yantechi. Oko. Also beko. Get serious. You should get serious. Go read Article 2 of the Ghana Football Association regulations and find your roles as Executive Council. Munkai Article 2. Namunti Biamoy Wasamu Yefa Football, the objectives of the Ghana Football Association. To improve the game consistently, promote, regulate, control throughout the territory of the Ghana Football Association in the light of fair play and its unifying educational, cultural, humanitarian values. To develop and promote the sports of football as a means of fostering football integration and molding the character of the youth in Ghana in accordance with the laws of the game and the spirit of fair play. Emrani Nyaguo, essence Koye Dreams FC. Mama mu 3 days. And I'm on mu joku. The Executive Council. Some meeting any somewhere. You are wasting your time, you are wasting your resources. Go read Article 40 and look, Muko meeting Ukraine is a cat baby. Because conflict of interest wom or a Dreams FC ni munyani frame na munya madie. Mo joku acha Executive Council, mo joku acha. You guys should get serious. The biano assembly ba mo style bi na ma kan obi dia mo dia mo ntumi nka president team D7 some fools e mo ntumi nka afen na mo ko e meeting na ma sa allowances. What the heck? Mo try mazida fritamale aba na we free Kumasi aba we free Takwa aba no ma be hia na ya serve mo aduane ne drinks no ma gye mo allowance na mo kɔ isem who say you call yourself executive council. Dr. Ransford Abbey, Mr. Mark Addo, Dr. Tony Obin, Madam Abibata, Moon ye wo gidie wo mo man Canada, forget about them. Executive council. You guys are a bunch of jokes. You better wake up. Madache. Football no say to the extent say acquire national security concern. And national security coordinator ni omampanyin hia. Omampanyin besides na dey na football dey bia ntokwa ni moja yi. Edu ska dia madru omampanyin so mu kopɛ $25 million. Mo basic duties as executive council mu ntumi nya. Sa mu ntumi nya adwuma na yengu council no. Na yempa nipa on betumi aye adwuma no meya adwuma no. Na mu jai court hia ne tie bo no. Eno fa so bia ni so. Do the job and stop the selective justice. Masa, mom bande jawu theater of dreams for now. Yenye wo kroma. Sika die the emfaso ni so na me ko Senegal na Ghana ni we kobo na mu die kire. Rajoja mo akokra dem him say ono wa retire o say den o unhu de ono so ti kroma ye. Omo nyina executive council ni so. They are wasting our time. Munye serious. Executive council, munye serious. Now munja unnecessary meetings, no? Unnecessary meetings, no? That council is becoming a comic council, a joking council, led by a joking officer. This nonsense must stop.
Pure FM.
Yankwama no nimra. Andy Casillas.
Ala.
Bibia boko dia.
Nyame adum bibia e kama.
Ghana